I'm sitting right here like this. Da-da-da.
Okay, Sam, it's on record.
Alright, ready? You know,
David
because I really like to talk loud. You guys ready? I can't hear you. Are you guys ready? Like, seriously? Sure. Go.
Is that Xavier?
Yeah, get up here. Oh, let's go, guys. Let's go. I'm ready, dude. The Bachelor fog dog. I got over here.
I'll just sit back in the corner and tape you guys.
Watch.
Yep. Oh yeah, guess what? That's the English middle finger.
The English?
Yeah.
This thing?
Yeah. They don't even...
Dylan, you see him?
No, they're like right up ahead.
What about you, Elmer?
I can hear them.
Yeah, I hear him.
Well, like, I know where.
I got two bogeys coming down front.
Want me to come over?
Go.
Move up.
No, you go. I got your back.
I'm going. I know.
Get down. They're coming.
I know. We got Justin.
Justin's out. Crap.
Fuck.
Dude, what? Hey.
I know, dude. They fall out like crazy.
All right, but just when you do that, just keep your head like down.
Okay.
Hey, cover me.
You've been the easiest one to get so far.
Yeah. You like crawling?
I'm good.
Not Justin. It's pistol time.
I see Matt.
Take him out.
Look, I'll show you like right here. Go.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
I'll learn.
Oh, good. Maybe it'll shut you up.
I don't see any. Yeah. Let's see where they at.
You're lucky we're bros and I gave you that AK. Chilling?
Where's Jeff?
You see him?
Yeah, I see Spencer.
Hey, yo, we're not like in a part of the battle where we
Left
just stop
far side.
battling, dude. We're still going.
Left far side.
Not far?
Yeah, right there now.
Is he yellow? He's
Yeah,
yellow,
yeah,
right?
you'll see his yellow shirt pop out.
See.
Ow! I hit.
You're good.
I just see him.
The hell? Sorry, David.
Oh, she's fast now.
He's down. Let's go. Let's go, guys.
He's up there now. Oh, he's like going across. See? Oh, shit. He's coming across. Yeah.
I think this is gonna be the most epic video.
It might be.
Slowly calling me.
I think I'm widening this too much because it's spitting out.
They're running to sea.
I'll go down here.
You come and fight! The fuck are you guys doing?
I see Spence. Hey, Matt. Not Matt.
There's no match here.
Oh my, Xavier, dude, I'm not even saying
What?
I can't get it. I thought you were
Why? Try to keep it under. Get like more BBs up.
I'll go. Oh, okay.
Yo.
Move it up, let's go. Elmer, come down. Did he get you? No, I'm good.
Hey, Elmer, Spence. Spence. Elmer, Justin, right side.
Hello there. Hello.
Elmer, you okay?
No.
What happened?
I don't know.
You okay?
It's a mag and shit. It's so small and stuff.
Where's Dylan? Dylan, get down here.
Okay,
He's doing good. Keep coming. You got enough ammo?
yeah.
Let me see your mag. Come here. Come here.
I know, I got Justin right there. Man, I got Justin right in front of me.
All right, keep moving up there. Almost gonna hit.
Yeah, she's doing that far.
Coming down.
I got movement up. Sam, movement directly up there. I think it's Xavier.
I think it's Spencer.
Wonderful calm. We gotta make a final. We gotta make a stand.
Get back to base. Get back to base. Get back to
Justin's
base.
at the base.
Justin's at shit.
Yeah, dude, they're covering the base. No, do it. You can just make it there.
Go then. Go.
They're up there. Fuck. He's up there.
It's Justin.
Go, Elmer. Justin. Right up at the top, Elmer. If we rush, we can get it.
Nah,